Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we will be sharing with you how to create a chevron abstract effect in Illustrator in a matter of seconds. So we're going to start off by selecting the line tool and we're going to hold on to shift and we're simply just going to draw out a straight line. And we're just going to slightly turn down the stroke, so we're going to do it as 3 points. I'm just going to move that up further up the canvas. And we're going to head over to Effects, and we're going to choose Distort and Transform, and then select Zigzag. So what you want to do is, when ensure Preview is selected, so we can preview our changes as we make changes. And we're going to increase the size to be 20 pixels. And now what we want to do is increase the amount of ridges within the line. So you can do as many as you want until you're happy with how the end result will look. So we're going to go with 50 because we think that looks quite good. We want to keep the points as corner and then select OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to select that as zigzag, Control C, and then I'm going to press Control V to paste underneath. I'm just going to drag it to the bottom of towards the bottom of the canvas. And then we're going to select both of our zigzag lines that we've created, and we're just going to align them horizontally, so to ensure that they're both lined up centrally with each other. And then we're just going to move both down to the middle of the canvas slightly. And then we're going to go over to Object, Blend, select Blend Options, Specify Steps, and then we're just going to increase the amount of steps in our blend mode. So the blend mode steps is how many lines it will create for us of the zigzag. So we're going to go with 13 and then select OK. And then we're going to select both lines again. And this time we're going to select Object Blend and select Make. And there you go. We've created an abstract chevron effect in Illustrator, which you can also turn into a seamless vector pattern to also incorporate into your projects, or you can change the colour of the line so it's a different colour, so not necessarily black. There's so many variations and adaptations that you can create with this effect. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for the quick tips on how to use Illustrator.